Hold them. Hold as hard as you can.
Oh my god. What? I wasn't even gonna do that.
Do you have any discomfort or tension when I push here?
No.
Discomfort or tension here?
No.
Okay, L5. Any discomfort or tension here?
No.
I just felt a spasm there in your left lumbar. How about that one there? Does this one feel like this one?
That one feels like a sharper, like...
Maybe the right hip up here like this. Good. I'm going to push back into the L4 or we'll push back into the L4. Do you still feel that same sharpness, discomfort?
A little bit.
Better?
Yeah.
Low tension? Tender?
A little bit more.
So we definitely have some glute tension here on the right. Okay, let's do some deep breaths in here. I'm going to stabilize your pelvis here. Take a deep breath in. Good, and out. Okay, when you're ready to get your back racked? We're going to do very gentle, okay? Let's practice one first so you can feel what it's like. So you're going to take a deep breath in through your nose. Shoulders sinking in. Good. Okay, coming up to the top of the spine. I'm going to lower the headpiece down just a little bit like this. Shoulders relax. Shoulders sinking. And all the way up to your spine. Good. We're going to push from there. Good. Okay, keep the knee straight. Lift the whole leg in the air.
Oh.
Good. Down. Left. Good down. Pretty even. Was one side more difficult than the other?
I wasn't paying attention to that.
Could do it again. Right. Down. Left. Down.
I bet the right was harder.
Right was harder. That's good. Bottom leg stays straight. We'll scoop forward just a little bit right there. Good. We're going to pull the shoulder out like this and then cross your arms there. Put your hip down like this.
Okay.
We're going to adjust right here on this lumbar spine.
Okay.
Good. As you breathe out, we're going to follow your breath down. Good. Good. Sinking in. Then you're back. Okay. Nice and gentle breathing in through your nose. Good. Out. Good. Shoulders are coming up. We're going to bring this down. Let your hip. You're not going to fall. Good. A little bit more.